So like we have the question number 3, that is correct energy profile for amine inversion and hybridization of nitrogen in transition state is. So we have this A structure in which nitrogen is attached to 3 atoms, that is hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, and nitrogen is having this lone pair over it, which means this hybridization is sp3. And this B structure, also nitrogen is attached with same atoms, that is hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, and it has lone pair over it. So from A to B there is a transition state formed between these structures A and B. So what will be the transition state? That will be in which nitrogen is attached to hydrogen and deuterium, and this nitrogen is having this tritium also attached. So earlier the lone pair was present in the sp3 hybridized orbital, but now what will happen? This lone pair goes into the p orbital, and this nitrogen in this transition state has the sp2 hybridization, which means that A and B will have the same energy since hybridization is same, just there is a difference of the inversion, because the lone pair was earlier it was present on the upward side in A structure, and in B structure like this is the B structure that is drawn above, so in which the lone pair is present in the downward direction. So what we can observe that in A, the diagram that is shown, A and B both don't have the same energy. In B also A and B are not having the same energy. In C, A and B also don't have the same energy. Left option is B, in which we have this A and B, like this D is drawn, in which this A and this B, they both have the same energy, and transition state is having the sp2 hybridization. So our answer will be this D. Okay, so is it clear?